Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Black Friday camera deals that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the WiFi-enabled digital camera for kids, the most affordable option on this list at just $29.99. This camera is specifically designed for kids and beginners, featuring a lightweight, durable design that makes it easy to carry and handle. The 48-megapixel resolution, paired with full HD 1080p video recording, ensures crisp images and smooth videos, while the anti-shake technology helps stabilize shots, perfect for capturing moments on the go. The 16x digital zoom adds some versatility, allowing users to focus on distant subjects. And the 6 vintage-style filters make it easy to add a creative touch to your photos. With a 2.4-inch HD display and user-friendly controls, this camera is ideal for children and teens who are just starting their photography journey. Plus, it comes with a 32GB SD card and a stylish carry bag, so you're ready to start shooting right out of the box. However, as a budget camera, it does have limitations. The video recording quality, while decent for the price, is capped at 1080p, and the digital zoom affects image clarity when zoomed in too much. The eco-friendly materials make it durable, but it might not feel premium compared to higher-priced models. Still, for under $30, this camera is an excellent value for kids or young photographers exploring their creativity. If you're looking for an affordable, beginner-friendly gift, the WiFi-enabled digital camera is a solid choice. Coming in at number 4 is the Canon digital camera for photography, priced at $59.99. This compact retro-style camera offers incredible value for vloggers and beginner photographers looking to step up their game. With 4K video recording and a 64MP still image resolution, it delivers sharp, high-quality visuals that are perfect for YouTube videos or capturing travel memories. One standout feature is its 3-inch 180-degree flip screen, which makes selfies and vlogging a breeze. The camera also includes built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to transfer photos and videos directly to your smartphone for instant sharing on social media. The 18x digital zoom adds versatility for close-ups or distant shots. Although, as with most digital zooms, image quality decreases as you zoom further in. The Canon camera comes with 2 1150 mAh batteries, a 32GB TF card, and even a camera bag, making it a fantastic bundle for its price point. However, it's worth noting that the digital zoom can result in slightly blurred images at extreme magnification, and the camera's plastic build, while lightweight, might not feel as sturdy as pricier options. All in all, the Canon is a great choice for beginners who want a capable vlogging camera without breaking the bank. If you're a content creator or a casual photographer looking for an affordable 4K option, this one's worth considering. At number 3, we've got the Canon 4K digital camera for photography, a versatile and beginner-friendly camera priced at $59.99. Sporting a sleek, compact design, this camera is perfect for travelers and vloggers who want convenience without compromising quality. With a 64MP still image resolution and 4K video recording capabilities, the Canon delivers sharp, vibrant visuals, and its autofocus feature ensures that your subjects are always crisp and clear. The 180-degree flip screen is ideal for selfies and vlogging, while the 16x digital zoom lets you capture distant scenes with ease. Built-in Wi-Fi adds convenience, allowing you to instantly share photos and videos on social media or transfer them to your computer for editing. What sets this camera apart is its multifunctional features. Time-lapse, slow motion, anti-shake, and smile detection are just a few of the tools that make photography fun and creative. The bundle includes 2 rechargeable batteries, a 32GB memory card, and even a UV filter, giving you everything you need to start shooting right away. While the Canon is a fantastic option, its digital zoom can affect image quality at higher magnifications, and the flashlight's brightness might not be sufficient for very low light conditions. Overall, this is an excellent choice for beginners, teens, or anyone who wants a compact travel camera with plenty of features to experiment with. Sliding into the number 2 spot is the Nikicam 6K digital camera for photography, priced at $89.98. This premium option is perfect for content creators who want professional-grade features without the hefty price tag. With a stunning 6K video resolution and 64-megapixel image quality, this camera produces incredibly detailed visuals, ideal for vlogging, YouTube videos, or capturing unforgettable moments. The 180-degree flip screen makes it easy to take selfies or record your next vlog, while the built-in Wi-Fi allows for seamless file sharing and even remote control through your smartphone. The 52mm lens and 16x digital zoom add versatility to your shots, whether you're filming landscapes or close-ups. What makes this camera stand out is its advanced video features, including time-lapse, slow motion, and pause functionality, which allow for creative storytelling. It also comes with a comprehensive kit including 2 batteries, a dual charger, and a 32GB micro SD card, ensuring you're ready to shoot right out of the box. While the Nikicam delivers impressive performance, it's worth noting that it's not a professional camera. It's aimed at beginners and intermediate users. The digital zoom, like others in this category, can result in slight image degradation at higher magnifications. If you're a vlogger or someone looking to upgrade to a high-quality camera for under $100, the Nikicam is an excellent choice. And finally, at the top spot, we have the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with a 2-lens kit. While the exact price isn't available, this camera is a bestseller for a reason. It delivers exceptional quality and performance that both beginners and seasoned photographers will appreciate. With a 24.1-megapixel CMOS sensor and full HD 1080p video recording capabilities, the Rebel T7 produces stunning images and videos with rich detail and vibrant colors. The dual lens kit includes an EF18 55mm and EF75 to 300mm lens, giving you the flexibility to shoot wide-angle landscapes or zoom in on distant subjects. The built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology make sharing photos effortless, while the optical viewfinder provides 95% coverage for precise framing. The Rebel T7 shines in its performance thanks to its 9-point autofocus system and AI Servo AF for tracking moving subjects. The robust DSLR build ensures durability, and its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold during long shooting sessions. While it's slightly bulkier compared to compact cameras, the versatility and image quality more than make up for it. Ideal for weddings, travel, or even as a high-quality webcam, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a fantastic investment for anyone serious about photography. The only downside is that it's aimed at amateurs rather than professionals. And it doesn't support 4K video recording. Still, if you want a reliable DSLR camera with excellent features, the Rebel T7 is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.